Hi there. As I mentioned in my previous video, one of the mission-critical capabilities for manufacturing companies is their ability to monetize services and IoT. As many manufacturers experience pressure on growth, on revenue and margins, and new data-driven and more service-oriented offerings are becoming an increasingly important part of the solution to this. Now, many manufacturers struggle to have internal stakeholders and their clients to fully appreciate the value of services and other solutions. Now, for some, this is still the case for their traditional maintenance services, and for others, this is more a challenge when they're launching the new advanced services and data-driven solutions. Now, from our research and many conversations we had with business leaders in various industries, we see that one of the critical success factors is solve bigger problems for your clients. This is all about creating a significantly more value for customers. And one of the common mistakes we see is that there's too much focus on only the small problems of customers and making small incremental improvements of existing services or solutions, like quicker response times, more predictability, higher uptime, shorter downtime, more user training. Now, these are typically the standard next step logical improvements which most of the competitors bring to the market as well. Now, for sure, these are necessary to sustain your market position or maybe even your license to operate. However, there's a big chance that these will not bring any growth or opportunities to monetize. Just think of the new car manufacturers add to their new models and the weekly updates we get in our software on our PCs. So we expect these improvements, and all providers are making the same improvements, but we do not pay any high fees or prices for the products or software, do we? Another common mistake is focusing too much on only availability and the use of the equipment we manufacture and sell. Now, in most industries, the purchase, the financing and the maintenance of equipment is all a fairly small portion of the total operating budget. So how relevant are they really? To increase relevance and value for our clients, we need to think much more beyond the availability of equipment. And let me share a few examples. While the sales of trucks were shrinking dramatically, leading truck manufacturers like MAN, DAF and Scania discovered that discounting the trucks did not have much impact. Owning or even leasing trucks itself is just a small portion of the budget of the fleet owners. A major portion of their operating cost is fuel consumption. So one of the big challenges for truck operators is to reduce the fuel consumption. The leading truck manufacturers took this challenge beyond aerodynamics of the trucks and fuel efficiency of the engines, and they developed data-driven services and solutions to reduce the fuel consumption by, for example, improving how the truck drivers drove the trucks. And the same way, Caterpillar is shifting from manufacturer of heavy equipment for construction and for mining to a service provider driving the operational excellence for their clients. And they improve asset utilization, the planning of the construction plant and the optimal deployment of the right equipment at the right time, all depending on the phase of the construction project. So the ideal practice is to either solve bigger problems in a significantly better way than usually, in a more efficient or easier way for clients, and or to solve new big problems for our clients which they have not been focusing on so much this far. Now, before developing these new services and solutions, it's crucial to have a very deep understanding of the business challenges and the problems of your clients. So how do leading manufacturers do this? The following activities will prevent most of the typical bias coming from the long-standing business as usual. It's reframing the customer needs with your team and colleagues. The aim is to have a broader view and scope of customers' needs and explicitly ban any type of objections against the idea of serving those needs. Be aware of arguments like our competitors aren't doing it, or this is not our core business, or this could cannibalize our business, or my clients do not ask for this. And also focus on the so-called actual jobs to do of your clients. Where are they really struggling, or where could they do much better? And what are their critical success factors? For example, not all clients need the best uptime, particularly if their operations are not 24/7. Now, whether you do this customer research with external agencies or not, it's always good to have various colleagues who have frequent and open conversations with different stakeholders in your client's organization, discussing views, industries, trends, challenges, visions, strategy, etc. So maybe this very simple diagram can help you, your colleagues and your clients to keep the dialogue very open. So these topics typically go far beyond the regular topics which are being addressed in ongoing conversations of a commercial and service staff or in any kind of customer feedback program. Another thing is explore how clients are solving these problems and jobs and which type of suppliers are helping them at this moment. And also explore the needs and challenges of the customers of your customers. This all will give you a lot more insight on your customers' needs of today and tomorrow. And with these insights you can extend and enhance your vision, your strategy, your roadmap for innovating your services and new solutions and your internal capabilities, and also will help you to generate more revenue from these services and solutions. With these insights you can extend and enhance your vision, your strategy, your roadmap for innovating your services, solutions and your internal capabilities, and also how you generate revenue, new revenue streams. Now, typically manufacturers which are better in solving the bigger customer problems, they generate more revenue streams with higher margins, and they also better differentiate themselves from the competitors through the eyes of their customers. They perform better and have more resources to keep on innovating their business and hence grow in the disruptive world of today. So do you want to boost the monetization of service and IoT in your business? Then you are invited to join one of our upcoming Impulse sessions all about how to monetize service and IoT. These are full-day interactive meetings with like-minded peers and experts, and together we will be discussing challenges, best practices and questions, and together also strategize our next steps in monetizing service and IoT. So book your seats over here through our website. And let's all keep in mind, our clients, they only spend time, resources and money on solving bigger problems, not the small ones. And if we as manufacturers don't do it, then for sure the data-driven system integrators, they will do it and gradually take over the leading role with our clients. So I'm looking forward to your views, and for sure also looking forward to seeing you in one of our Impulse sessions. Take care.